In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a trending figurine AI image with Google Gemini. This is a straightforward process, and by the end, you'll have your very own unique AI-generated figurine image. Let's dive right in. First things first, open your web browser and go to your preferred search engine. In this case, we'll be using Google. It's important to ensure that you're using an updated browser for the best experience and compatibility with Google's services. Once you've landed on Google's homepage, type in Google Gemini in the search bar and press enter. This will bring up a list of results. What we're looking for is the official Google Gemini website, so go ahead and click on it. Now, once you're there, you'll need to sign in to your account. If you don't have one yet, registering is quite easy and only takes a couple of minutes. After you've successfully signed in, look for the plus sign button. This is typically used for uploading files or images. Click on it to upload an image that you'd like to use as a base for your AI creation. Make sure the image you select is clear, as this will help yield better results. With your image uploaded, it's time to type in the prompt. What you type here will guide the AI in designing the figurine image. Be as specific or creative as you like, but remember, the clearer the prompt, the more likely you are to get a satisfactory result. Now, navigate over to the Tools section. In this part of the platform, you'll find various options and features to assist with your creative process. Click on the button that says Create Images. This is where the magic happens. Once you click it, the AI will begin processing your image and prompt to generate a new, unique creation. After a moment, you'll see a Submit button. This step is crucial as it confirms your request and kicks off the rendering process. Click on Submit and then sit back and wait for a short while as the AI works its magic. And there you have it. Your AI-generated figurine image is done. Take a moment to admire your creation. You can download it, share it with friends, or even use it as inspiration for more projects. Feel free to experiment with different images and prompts to see what exciting results you can achieve. I hope you enjoyed learning how to create these mesmerizing AI images using Google Gemini. Don't hesitate to try out different features and explore the endless possibilities of digital creativity. Thanks for joining me today, and happy creating!